Hey guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. So, from SQL perspective, what are the types of SQL statement is the most important question for the beginners who are just starting in SQL. So, answer is first one is DDL, data definition language. Second is DML, data manipulation language. DCL, data control language. TCL, transaction control language. On more words, DDL includes create database or table, alter table and drop table. In DML, select data from the table, insert data to the table and delete from the table. DCL, grant and revoke, means to give some permission and revoking the permission. TCL, commit and rollback, means commit means to save the changes permanently and rollback means to move to the earlier saved version. So, master the types. Great job. Like, subscribe and stay tuned to Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much.